How to fix audio services not responding error in Windows 10. Method 1. Restart audio services. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open the Run dialog box. Type in services.msc and click OK. Scroll through the services list and find RPC Endpoint Mapper. If it's not running, right-click it and click Start. Find DCOM Server Process Launcher. If it's not running, right-click it and click Start. Find Remote Procedure Call, RPC. If it's not running, right-click it and click Start. Scroll through the services list and find Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click it and click Properties. Open the Startup Type drop-down menu and select Automatic and click Apply. Then click Start and click OK to close Properties. Then, find Windows Audio. Right-click it and click Properties. Open the Startup Type drop-down menu and select Automatic and click Apply. Then click Start and click OK to close Properties. Method 2. Update the audio drivers. Right-click the Start menu button and click Device Manager. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers list. Identify your audio device as there might be more than one. Right-click the audio device and click Update Driver. Click Automatically Search for drivers. Windows will check for the latest driver version for your device and install it automatically. If updating the audio drivers doesn't fix the issue, you can try reinstalling them. Right-click the audio device and click Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm the action. Then, restart your PC and allow for Windows to automatically download and install the audio drivers. Method 3. Fix local account configurations. Simultaneously hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type in CMD in the Run dialog box, and simultaneously hold down Shift plus Control plus Enter to open elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in netlocal group administrator / add network service and hit Enter. Type in netlocal group administrator / add local service and hit Enter. Type in sc config audio srv start equals auto and hit Enter. Then type in the command shown on screen and hit Enter. Lastly, type in the command shown on screen and hit Enter. You can copy and paste all of the commands shown here from the article linked in the video description. Method 4. Modify Windows Audio Endpoint Builder registry key. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type in Reget it in the Run dialog box and click OK. Navigate to hkey_local_machine \system \current control set \services \audio endpoint builder \parameters. find and right-click Service DLL, and click Modify. If the set value is %system_root %system32 /audioserve.dll, then erase it. Replace the value with %system_root %system32 /audio endpoint builder.dll, and click OK. Restart your PC to apply the changes. Thank you for watching.